tell this very interesting topic. I can tell XPath access. XPath access methods. We are going to see XPath access methods. So yesterday we have seen XPath expressions. So how we are going to write an XPath? How we are going to write an XPath? Which thing you are going to use for writing an XPath? Which element? You are taking help of what? Okay, you want access for everyone? Want access for everyone? Can I make it as mute for everyone? Yes or no? Based on the response, I'll for everyone want the access to speak. Okay, I'll give right after some time. Okay. Okay. Someone is telling 50-50. I'm getting. Okay. So for writing any locator, for writing any locator, we use HTML representation of that element. Where you are going to get the HTML representation of an element? If you want to write an XPath or a locator of any web element, we use what? For an element, you want to write an locator, we use HTML representation. Correct? HTML representation. What HTML representation will contain? A tag name. Okay. A tag name followed with the attributes and the text. Correct? And that is the HTML representation. But if you want to learn XPath access, you should know a relationship. You should know hierarchy of the elements. Hierarchy of the elements. If you don't understand hierarchy, If you don't understand hierarchy of elements in a DOM, you can't write XPath access. What is access? Is nothing but a relationship. Access is nothing but a relationship. Access is nothing but relationship. Okay. In XPath access, we are going to have current node. From current node, you're going to move to target node. You're going to move to target node. From current node to you are moving to the target node. So how we are going to move from current node to target node? By using the relationship, by using the XPath axis method. XPath axis method, you're going to use the XPath axis method, and we are moving from a current node to target node. What is the syntax for writing this? What is the syntax for writing this? The simple syntax is // your current node XPath. I can tell current node XPath. Okay. // XPath access method. Okay, XPath access method, double semicolon, your target node. Target node can be identified by tag name with index, or 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 you can write XPath also. Anything is fine. Tag name with index or XPath. Okay, this is the syntax for XPath access. So before getting into XPath access, you want to learn the hierarchy. Now let's get into hierarchy. Okay, let's see some simple hierarchy. Okay, automation. Okay, now tell me. Okay, so let's take this is the current node. This is the current node. This is the current node. Okay, if this is the current node, what is the relationship? This is the current node. I want to move to this target node. This target node. I want to move to 300 node. What is the relationship to this and this? To this and this, what is the relationship? Can anyone ping? If they are at same level, if you see the HTML representation, this less than symbol is at same level. If this less than symbol is at same level, we call it as siblings. Okay, right now, if you are at animesh, this is the current node. So learn JS is an element which will become the elder brother. Elder brother. Other two are like younger brothers. Got it? These are like siblings. So in XPath axis, we call it as preceding sibling. Who are the elder brothers? We call it as preceding. Who born before you? And these two are right? Following siblings. Following siblings. Got it? Now tell me who is the parent for this? These four nodes? Who is the parent? Who is the parent? Correct. TR is the parent. One level up. One level up is nothing but parent. One level up is nothing but parent. So for TR, let's take this is the current node now. Always, if you are writing XPath axis, always you want to know what is the current node. Let's assume TR is the current node. Now tell me what are the children? What are the children for this TR? How many children are there? How many children are there? Correct. 4. Exactly. Please answer in the chat. How many children are there? 4 children. If this is the current node, these are the 4 children. Okay. Now we have a right ancestor. Ancestor is nothing but a father plus ancestors. Right? Father plus father, 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 like that it will go. Okay. Ancestors. Ancestors generally we call ancestors above father level. But in XPath axis, even father will come as ancestor. Okay, even father will come as ancestor. Ancestor equal to father plus next levels. Okay, now tell me for this node, what is the ancestors? What is the ancestors? What is the first ancestor? TR is the first ancestor. Let's assume this is the current node. Who is the parent? TR. Even it is considered as ancestor. See, whatever expanded, those are all ancestors. For TR, right? For this grandfather, T body. Great grandfather, table. Again, great grandfather, father, this one. All this will come, right? The 1, 2, 3, all these are like ancestors, which are expanded. So, and father plus next levels is ancestors. Okay. Opposite to that, descendant. What is that? Descendant. Descendant is nothing but children plus children's. Children plus children's. Okay. Children's, we call it as descendants. Descendants. Now tell me, what I can take. Okay. Let's take this one. Let's take this one. Okay. It will count children plus their children's. Their children's. Now let's assume this one. Let's assume this one. I want some typical thing. Let's assume this one. Mm, not this is not looking good. First assume, understand the hierarchy, then you can write XPath axis very easily. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, let's take this one. This is the current node. This is the current node. Now tell me what are the children? How many children? How many children for this current node? How many children for this current node? Correct. Now descendant. Now descendants. Now descendant. Now descendant. Sir, I can't tell. Why? You want to expand this. First count the children. 1 children. Expand this. For these children, how many children are there? 1, 2, 2, 3 children again. For this child, I have what I can call what we call rice grandson. How many grandsons are there for this current node? 3 grandsons. This also comes under descendant. Okay. If you expand again, you want to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Totally, it has 13 descendant. First, I counted children level, next grandchildren level, now great grandchildren level. All are like descendant. Children's. Got it? Got it? We'll see in a practical example. Okay, you want to understand the hierarchy first, right? Next one is following preceding. Following preceding. For example, if you take paint, okay, if you take a paint, so this is your web page, HTML DOM. Okay, this is your HTML DOM. Okay, this is your HTML DOM. This is your element. This is your element, web element. Always your web element divides this HTML DOM into 2 parts. The above one is preceding. The above one is nothing but preceding. Above one is preceding. Okay, below one is following. Following. Above one is preceding. So everything comes above this particular web element comes under preceding. All the elements after this web element comes under following. That's it. Very simple. We covered all the axis method. Parent, child, ancestor, descendant, following, preceding, and following sibling, preceding sibling. Following sibling, preceding sibling we covered, right? We covered. Okay, now tell me, for this, how many following sibling? Okay, let's get into practical. Okay, so enough. Okay, let's get into practical. First axis method, we'll see parent. We'll see parent. First axis method, we'll see parent. So let's assume how you're going to write an XPath for this. Let's assume. So let's assume practical way. Okay, inspect this. Inspect this. Okay, let's assume this is the target. This is the current node. This is the current node. Okay, this is the current. How you're going to write a current node XPath? Copy, or else you can write TD. Tell me the XPath. TD at the rate learn Java. I can put learn Java. Okay, learn Java. TD. Sorry, text. I want to give text. There is no attribute. Text learn Java. Okay, now from here, I want to move to this TR. How I can move? How I can move? How I can move? For this current node, I want to move to TR. TR, what is the relationship? Parent. What is the XPath access syntax? Your current node, I want to move to the parent. Slash parent. Slash parent double semicolon TR. TR. Always remember in real time parent is nothing but two will be there. But in HTML DOM you're going to have only one parent. You can use tag TR or else you can put star. Star will give all the elements. Anyway, parent will be one, it will give one. If you use tag also, it's fine. Without tag also, it will give only one occurrence. Okay. So what is the syntax? There is the syntax, or you can put star. So see how simple it is. This is your current node. So what parent will return? It will return parent for your current node. So what is the current node? This is the current node. If I use parent double semicolon tr, it will return the parent of it. What is the current node? For this, who is the parent? It will get returned. So who is the parent? tr. It will return this tr. See which one is highlighting? The entire row will get highlighted. See, entire row is highlighting in the web page. Okay, got it? Now we'll see the opposite for this. Child. Okay, we'll see child. Child will return. It will return all children, all children, all children of a current node. So I can tell this is kind of like this is like a filter condition. You can apply filter condition. You can apply filter condition here. Okay, now tell me same take. Say right now, right, take tr as a current node. Now take tr as a current node. Let's assume this is the current node. Let's assume this is the current node. Okay, let's assume this is the current node. So just copy. For now, write some dummy XPath. Okay, this is the current node. Okay, let's assume this is the current node. This is the current node, or else right. I don't want to write habituated with that. Write the real XPath only. Okay. What is that? How I can write? Can you help me? How I can write a XPath for this? Control F / table. Let me zoom little bit. Okay. Table at the rate. See, it got added. From here, where I want to get? I want to get to the tr row. How I can get? /tbody. This is the syntax. You don't worry. /tr1. This is the first row. This is the first row. I want to get to second row. For example, second row. Okay, from here, this is the row. This is the current node. See, it is highlighting. I want to get all the elements. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. How I can get? These are like, what is the relationship between tr and td? Now tell me. One level down. One level down, what is the relationship? Children. Child. So for that, you want to use /child XPath axis. This is the current node. This is the current node. For this current node, you want to apply the axis method. What is the axis method? Slash child double semicolon double semicolon. Now see the magic. If you put star, it's going to give all the children. How many children are there? 4 children. It will return all the children. If you put star. Okay. No, sir, I don't want to write go get all the children. Get all the children. I want to go to particular children. Particular children. Then you can apply filter condition here. I already told you can apply two things. You can apply two things. Tag name with index. Tag name with index or else complete XPath. Tag name with index or complete XPath. So what is the tag name? TD. You can apply TD. You want to go to which one? First one. If you want to go first one, use first. If you want to second children, use second. Third, 3, 4, like this. See, like this. Sir, I don't want to use index. There is the index based filtering. Okay, tag name plus index based filtering. Sir, I don't want. I want to write the complete XPath. Then use the complete XPath. Text equal to. You want to go to Selenium. Selenium. Got it? I always prefer write tag name with index. Okay, that gives the real essence for XPath Axes. Okay, XPath Axes. Okay, after telling this XPath Axes, I'll unmute. You can ask your question. I'll cover all the what is that axis methods. Next one is ancestors. Next one is ancestor. Okay, ancestor. Okay, ancestor. It will return. Okay, it will return. I can copy this. Okay, it will return. It will return parent plus all next levels. All next levels for a current node. For a current node. For a current node. So, for example, let's take this one only. There is the current node. There is the current node. Slash td text equal to single quotes, put it. Oh, I have two Selenium. Okay. Let's take right for now. I don't want to confuse. Let's take JavaScript. Okay. Okay, let's use unique. I don't want to confuse. What happening? Is it? Okay. Inspect. Okay, let's take this one. Control C, Control F. TD. Okay. TD text equal to in single quotes. Okay, this is the XPath. For this element, this is the current node. For this element, I want to get all the ancestors. What are the ancestors? TR. Next level, TD. Table. Next div. All these are like ancestors. Next, this one, which are expanded. This one, all this you're going to get. How you're going to get? This is the current node. What is the syntax? Can you ping in the chat? What is the syntax? This is the current node. You want to get all the ancestors. Can you ping in the chat? What is the syntax? Everyone. What is the syntax? This is the current node. I want to get all the ancestors. What is the method? Current node, ancestors. Ancestor. The method is ancestor, double semicolon. If I put star, I'm going to get all the ancestors. See, these are all 19 ancestors are there for this particular element. Okay, for this particular element, see, last ancestor is your TR. From TR, it will start from starting. Okay. It will go from here. TR is the father. Then T body. You can see 18 T body. Next, it will go to table, div, like that. All ancestors you're going to get. I want to move to one particular ancestor. You can give the filter condition here. You can give index. You can give index or else you can give index or else complete XPath. Same concept. Same concept. Okay. Next, the opposite for this is descendant. Opposite for is this is descendant. Descendant will return. Descendant will return children. Okay, children plus all below levels. All below levels. Children, grandchildren, great grandchildren. It will return all the levels. Okay, all the levels. Now tell me, where is that? Now tell me. Let's assume. Let's assume there is the one. Let's take this one. Now tell me if anyone tells right correct answer, he understood the concept of descendants. Okay. Now let's assume T body is the current node. T body is the current node. Now tell me what is the if I use descendant, how many rows I'm going to get? How many elements I'm going to get if I use descendant? Ping in the chat. What is the output I'm going to get if I use descendant? Descendant. If I use descendant, no elements. Wrong. Only 7. You want to expand all. Sangeeta, you are right. You want to expand all first. See, you want to expand all. So first it will count all the children. For this current node, I have how many children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Let's take T body. I'm taking T body. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 children. It will count 7. Plus his children also. For every children I have 4. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 7. 28 plus 7. 35. 38, 35 will be the 35 will be the right descendants. Okay, let's take. I'll unmute Mayur. I'll unmute. Okay, 35 will be the answer. Okay, copy. Let's copy XPath, dummy XPath. Control F. Okay, this is your current node. Let's assume this is the current node. Slash see the magic descendant double semicolon star. See how many you got? 35. All the children. See, it will expand children, all the grandchildren. Next, second child, it will count all the grandchildren. Now, third child, it will count all the grandchildren. Like this, it's going to. If grandchildren is also have children, then it will also count. That is like family hierarchy. It's going to get all the 35 elements. If you want to filter, you can filter by using the tag name. I want to get only all. So I have so many descendants. I want only sons. I want only write one level only. In that case, all one level will have what is the tag tr. If you put tr, you're going to get only children. I want to get only grandchildren. What is the grandchildren tag? Th, right? Th. Oh, sorry, td. TD. See, you're going to get only grandchildren. Got it? Grandchildren. Like that, you can do filtering. Or else you want to get particular grandchildren, Mukesh or Java. So you can get the grandchildren with the name Java. Like that, you can apply your filter condition. Okay, this is the filter condition you're going to apply. So once you learn this, right, you're going to apply in the interview questions. Okay, this is very important. Okay. Next we are going to very important interview question. 90% of interview question you are going to get this. Okay. Preceding sibling, following sibling. Preceding sibling. There is a very important interview question. Preceding sibling, it will return, right? Preceding siblings of current node. Okay. Current node. Okay. What is the syntax? Same syntax. See, this is the current node. This is your XPath axis, double semicolon. You want to write this. Okay, now tell me, there is very famous interview question. Okay, go here. So if I give a book name, I want to get the price. Did anyone get this question? In a web table, if I give a book name or employee, you want to check the right in the same line, you want to check the checkbox, or else you want to click on some button, or else get the price of it. How are you going to get the price of it? From here, I want to move to here. Write a generic XPath for doing this. How are you going to do this? Inspect. Right, this is the book name. Write an XPath for this. Write an XPath. Okay, this is the book name. slash td text equal to, can I please write from your end also in single quotes. Please habituate with single quotes. Okay, this is the book name. From here, where the price exactly lies, where exactly the price lies, where exactly the price is there, 3000 here. Now tell me, this is your current node. I want to move to here. How I can move? How I can move? How I can move? So I would like to discuss following sibling first then. Following sibling. Following sibling. It will return same. It will return following siblings of current node. Current node. Now tell me, so this your current node. I want to move to this 3000. How I can move? Slash. What is the syntax? Following sibling will have right. Following sibling is a two words. If you are using two words in any XPath axis, you should follow hyphen. Two words in XPath. Just like normalize space. Normalize space between one hyphen. Following sibling two words hyphen. Following hyphen sibling double semicolon TD. See, but you want to go to where? Third TD. You want third TD. You can use TD3. That's it. You're going to get the price. See the magic? This is your generic XPath. This is your generic XPath to find the price of a book. So you're going to pass the book at runtime. You're going to pass the book at runtime. So master in Java. If I pass master in Java, okay, master in Java here, it will give the respective price. What is the respective price? Is 2000 is highlighting or not? Yes, it is highlighting 2000. Okay, it is highlighting 2000. Okay, got it? This is the way you're going to write XPath Axes methods. Very simple. Your current node, XPath Axes method, followed by double semicolon, use where you want to navigate to. You are navigating from current node to your target node. Your target node. Okay, same like preceding sibling. Okay, you are bored with this one. Preceding sibling. Okay, take the some other. If I pass a price, if I pass a price, I want to get the name of the mobile. Name of the mobile. So if I pass a price, I want to get the name of the mobile. Now tell me, write an XPath for this. Control F / td text equal to in single quotes. How are you going to write for the XPath for this? For this td, this is text. Do you have any attributes for this element? Do you have any attribute? If you want to write an XPath, you want to understand the HTML representation. You want to write an XPath access method. You want to understand the hierarchy within the DOM. Now from here, I want to get the mobile phone name, mobile name. Now from here, I want to move to here. Can you ping in the chat? What is the relationship? What is the relationship from currently? I mean this node. I want to move to this node. Correct siblings. What sibling? There are two types of sibling. Preceding or following? Preceding. Correct. Can you write the complete XPath in the chat? Everyone, complete XPath. From here, how I can move to here? Can you write a complete XPath? Slash preceding. Always I will also do for preceding only singly. Don't use doubly. If you use doubly, it won't identify. You want to use one singly. Preceding hyphen sibling double semicolon td. Which one? Second one I want to get. So use the index second. That's it. See how simple it is. Now, I want to use first. Sorry, it is highlighting this one. First one. Okay. First one. See, make sure that it is identify correct mobile name only. From it will preceding always start from bottom. Okay, it always starts from right bottom. So first one is smartphone. Now change the price. If I give this one, laptop should highlight. See, this is the generic XPath. This one price is going to pass at runtime. See, now it is highlighting laptop. See how simple it is. You can write very simple XPaths. Very simple XPaths. Okay. Now I would like to tell following and preceding. Before that, I would like to pause for a minute. Any doubts, raise your hands. Preceding and following. Preceding and following. Any doubts, raise your hands. Yeah, go ahead. Couple of doubts, then I'll go to again. Yeah. Three doubts. Three persons. First in, first out. Yeah.
Yeah, hey Mohan, can you explain one more time for this concept for the following sibling?
Following sibling. Following sibling?
Yeah.
You understood other methods?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So following sibling is nothing but so 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 there is some condition. Okay. If interviewer asks, right? Um, who is this? Who has this question?
Also,
Ashok. Ashok.
yeah.
Ashok, share your screen. Share your screen. Okay. So this is your table. Okay, this is your table. Okay. If I give a smartwatch, if I give a smartwatch, so based in the same row, you want to click on the select. You want to click on the select. This is the interviewer you're going to is going to ask the question. How you're going to do that? So from here you want to move to here. Now, can you define the relationship in the web page from this element? If I give smartwatch, I want to click on this. From this element, you want to move to here. Can you define the relationship here? No, you can't. How are you going to define the relationship between these two elements from here to here? In the DOM. Inspect. Inspect. From here, you want to go to here. Okay. From here, you want to go to here. Now tell me what is the relationship between these two? Is it at same level or one level below?
One level below.
No. It's at same level. No one level below. See, all TDs are same level. These are like siblings.
Okay, okay.
Okay. These are like siblings. All are siblings. Okay.
Mm.
So this below checkbox, you can see this is identifying. See, this below checkbox is following or preceding. Is it down? If it is down, we call it as following. If it is up, it is preceding. Now tell me, what are the preceding siblings? How many preceding siblings are there? How many preceding siblings are there for this node? How many preceding?
3.
Preceding.
1,
Preceding.
9.
Correct. Preceding is nothing but before. Following
Mm.
sibling?
3.
2. How 3?
Smartphone, laptop.
Sorry? This is the current node. For this current node, how many following sibling?
2, 2.
2. 1, 2. Let's take this is the current node. Let's take this is the
Mm.
current node. How many preceding? Fast. How many preceding? How many
3.
preceding sibling? Sorry. How many preceding sibling?
3.
Correct. How many following sibling?
No. No
Correct. 0.
following.
No
Yeah.
following sibling. Now from here, I want to move to here. Then what XPath axis I want to write? From here, I want to move here. What XPath axis you want to write? From here, I
Uh,
want to move to here. What is the XPath axis method I want to use?
Following sibling.
Correct. That's it. That's it. What is the syntax for writing a XPath axis? This is your current node. You want to move to here.
Yeah.
Slash XPath axis. What is the XPath axis?
Following
Following.
sibling.
Okay, sorry,
Sibling.
you are right. Sibling. Double semicolon. TD. What is the tag name? TD. But you
Yeah,
want to move to
TD.
second one, right? It is highlighting
2.
right first one. Yes, correct. That's it. Two. This
Okay.
is your XPath. You got it now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks,
Yeah.
Mohan.
Any other questions? Any other questions? All good? One last question.
Yeah, Mohan, as you explained, for particular particular item, for particular price, we are getting a particular item, right? You
Correct.
explained. So
Correct.
suppose we have two items with the same price, then how
Huh.
can we go for?
Then, yeah, obviously, for that price, we are going to get two siblings. For example, let's assume,
Okay.
take here only. Now tell me, if I give, what are the books written by Mukesh? How many books you are going to get? How many books?
Uh, Two.
Obviously, he written
Two.
two books, right? You want to get two. That
Uh-huh.
is correct only, right? So for this, what do you want to
Okay.
use? Tell me, what do you want to use for this? Tell me, write an XPath. I want to get all the books which was written by Mukesh. How are you going to? What is the method, XPath access method you're going to use? Tell
Mm,
me. You already defined the relationship. You know. You don't want to inspect
yeah.
also. What is the relationship?
Mm-hmm.
What is the relationship? Book name.
Okay. Following
Oh.
following sibling.
From here, I want to move to here.
Oh, preceding sibling. Yeah.
Correct. So this is the hash set. Okay, if you are proceeding in interview also, they're going to ask like this only. Preceding sibling, tell me what you want to tell. Come on, what is the syntax? Fast, fast, make it
Uh,
fast.
uh, Double colon
Correct. Next,
and
fast, fast.
within uh, bracket,
Bracket.
give one.
Did I tell any bracket in syntax?
No, no, 1 second.
Did I tell any syntax?
No.
Bracket you want to use directly. No semi, no slash,
Uh,
no semicolon. Double semicolon after
uh,
TD, TD, one. No, here right, you no need to use right one also. Why? Tell me. Why tell me?
only one preceding. Only one
Correct.
preceding sibling is there.
Correct. Only one preceding. So how many books Mukesh has written? One is Learn Java, other one is Master of Selenium. See, is it highlighting?
Mm.
See, is it highlighting? See, one is what? One is Learn Java, other one is Master in Selenium.
Mm.
Correct. You
Master
got
is
two.
sibling.
Correct. Your
Okay.
expert is
Okay.
absolutely correct. This is the way how you're going to write the expert access. Okay?
And yeah,
Yeah.
very beginning you explained one thing in a Notepad plus. Please open that.
Sure, sure, sure. I'll do that. 1 second. 1 second. Yeah.
Yeah, scroll up, please. Yeah, this one. Yeah,
Line number.
this
Line number one.
20,
Line number. Huh?
20, 30, 31, 32. Just
Yeah. Go
quick
ahead.
recap, please.
It's nothing but. So this is like if you put star, you're going to get all the results. So
Okay,
this is like
that's
filter.
clear.
Which row you want to get. This is complete
Okay,
XPath. This is the
okay.
complete XPath. So
This
got it?
one, can you explain with the browser, like the
Which one?
32 line?
Which 32 line?
32.
Okay.
Okay.
For
Yeah.
example, directly, if you use 32, right, you are not going to get the generic XPath. Okay. Where
Mhm.
is that? Okay. Now let's take this one only. Okay. Let's take from laptop to I want to get this one. Laptop price I want to get. Laptop price I want to get. How you going to get the laptop price? Laptop price. What is a laptop? There is a laptop, right?
Hmm.
So I want to get the price. How are you going to get the price? Tell me what is the relationship?
Yeah, slash following following
Sorry. Yeah, this is a laptop. You want to get the
yeah,
price. Yeah. Slash
yeah.
first.
Yeah, following
Huh.
hyphen
Hmm.
sibling
Hmm.
double colon
Hmm.
and yeah,
TD.
just td
TD. So here,
one
right,
one.
generally previously we used syntax. Use sorry,
Hmm.
index. Now you're going to write the this one. XPath. TD text equal
One.
to no. You want to write the XPath. Text
Okay.
equal to like this. This XPath only, right? We have written
Okay.
XPath syntax
Okay.
only.
Yeah.
That is the
Okay.
thing what I would like to tell. Got it?
Oh, yeah. Got
That's
it.
it.
Thank you.
That's it. No problem. Okay, next one is following and preceding. Following and preceding. Okay. So following is nothing but I already told. Whatever comes after this node, everything right following. Everything is following. So why, sir, if you able to draw the relationship, so if it is beside you, then you are going to use right following sibling or preceding sibling. If it is one level up, you can define as a parent relationship. At least, right, we have two more level ups and sister. But right, sometimes interviewer is going to ask you, so take this element. Okay, take this element from here, go to here, go to somewhere here. How you can you define the relationship in the DOM? No. Sometimes it's difficult to define the relationship. I'll simply write take an XPath for this. Okay, I'll simply write take an XPath for this. Okay, I'll take inspect dummy XPath. I'll write. I don't want to waste time. Okay, my main concept is explain the XPath X. This is the current node. Okay, I want to move to where? Above is nothing but preceding. Double semicolon, right? Double semicolon. I want to go here. Something like inspect. A. Let's assume A. If I give A, oh, there are 9 are there. 9 are there. Okay, there are 9 are there. So I want to filter. How I can filter? A href is there. Or else I'll use text. Complete XPath you want to write. Like this, you can write. See here, I can't define the relationship. So where we started? We started with somewhere this element. I'm going up somewhere this element from here to here. So you don't want to draw the relationship between the two elements in a web page. You want to blindly go to some other element which is there up. If you want to go down, use following. That's it. Simple. That is simple. Okay. Anything? Any doubt? So this preceding. Let's assume there is the current node. Let's assume there is the current node. Okay, let's assume there is the current node. Okay, there is the current node. Okay, this is the current node. Where we are now? Geo elements. Now I want to move to same element. Where this element, master in Selenium. How I can move? Slash. Following it is down. But I don't want to draw the relationship. I don't want to waste my time. Following, double semicolon, paste the thing. Paste the thing. Remove the. Yeah, see? I move to master in Selenium. See, there is the following. Somewhere you want to move from a top to down. We are going to use. This is your current node. You are going down by using following and identifying one element. Okay. Can we see some practical examples? What going to ask in the interview? So one of the famous interview question they want to ask.
Once
Share
again.
your question. Yeah. Amazon.in.
As you
Yeah,
said,
let me complete. Yeah, you can ask later. Sorry for yeah
okay.
stopping you. Okay, let's assume search like Samsung. Okay, Samsung. So if I give a mobile name, I want to get the price of it. So this kind of questions in Amazon, I researched on a pattern. I found some method. So this type of questions. So give the mobile name, get the price. Give the price, get the mobile name. Or else, right? Um, get all the mobile names which are having rating 4.5, more than 4.5. All these questions you are going to get right in interview. So how are you going to solve this? There are two patterns. To solve this. The first one is right ancestor descendant pattern. Okay. Next pattern is following or preceding with using index. Okay, these two pattern you can use. So ancestor descendant is my favorite, but it will look big, but you can write very fast. Now tell me, I want to get for this mobile name, I want to get the price. Whatever your mobile name you give, right, I want to get the price. So you want to write a generic XPath for this. So inspect. Okay, what is a right? This is a text. Copy this. Control F. // this is span, right? Span, use text equal to in single quotes, paste the title. Okay, this is the title. Now you want to get the price of it. How are you going to get the price, right? You want to use the ancestor. So your ancestor should contain both your title, your current node and the target node. Both should be present. Both should be present. Now tell me, can I take this as a ancestor? Can I take this as ancestor? Yes. Title is there, current node is there, target node is there. Can I take this one as ancestor? Yes, still you can take. This one I can take. Can I take this as ancestor? No. Why? I want to move to the price, but price is not there here. Right? Take either this or this. I would like to take this. This like small right class. I'll take this. Okay. Copy this. So what is the tag name? Remember that. Go at last. Okay. Go at last. Slash use ancestor. What is the method? What is the access method? Ancestor double semicolon. Put div in brackets. Put at the rate. Paste it. Paste it. That's it. See, it identify entire panel. Now use the descendant slash descendant. Spelling should be careful. Slash descendant double semicolon. Where you want to get the price? Price, right? What is the price? Okay, this is the price. I want to move to here, right? You see, price hole is there. You can move. You can use this. See, simple. Price hole. Descendant. Descendant. Okay. Descendant span. Write the complete XPath at the rate. Paste it. Paste it. Okay. See. Did I miss anything? Oh, sorry. Here I forgot to keep the bracket. See, price got identified. Now tell me whether this my XPath is right a generic XPath or not. How I can identify? So take any small mobile or any. Yeah, let's take this one. So I want to get what 34,990 I want to get. Okay, take this title. Go here. What is the title? Remove this title from here to where title. It's a very big title. From here to here title. Remove this title. Okay, place this title, paste in between the single quote. See, I got 34,990. This is called ancestor descendant technique. Okay, I only discovered this is called ancestor descendant technique. You can crack the things very easily. You can write the fastly also. Ancestor descendant technique. Okay, this will looks huge, but 100% it will work. Okay, there is other method also, right? Following or preceding. This very simple method, but you should be intelligent enough to crack it. Intelligent enough to crack it. Okay, very intelligent enough to crack it. Okay, you should be very careful while writing this. Now same thing I'll remove this one. Okay, till this I will remove. This is what? This is what? Your title. I want to move to where? I want to move to where? Price. How we can move? Whether it is a preceding or following. Can you ping in the chat? So this is the title. I want to move to price, whether it is a preceding or following. Preceding or following. Preceding or following. From title to I want to move to price. Preceding or following. Can you ping in the chat? Yes, following. Following. So use following. What is the XPath axis? Slash following. Double semicolon. Double semicolon. Okay, what is the path XPath you want to write here? Same. Class span class span. Okay, at the rate, paste it. That's it. See, you got 12 occurrences. Why? After this type of prices I have so many. How many elements are there? All prices will get. For that I want to get what? First one. How we can get the first one? Use the index. Use the index. Use the index. That's it. See, you got the price. So I would like to know whether it is working fine with the other mobile names or not. You want to test that. See, this is following. Okay, see, this looks very simple. This looks very simple. See, following span, I use index. You want to use following or preceding with the index. Okay. Now just write use some other mobile name. You want to get the correct price. Okay, let's take other mobile. Small mobiles are not there. All are big names.
Uh,
Inspect. Okay, take the name. So if I use for this, right, double 11,199 I should get. So you don't get scared. These are very easy. If you practice, very, very easy. Paste it. See, I got 11,199. See, there is the generic XPath you can use. So by changing mobile names also, it is identifying correct price. Okay, any doubt? I would like to pause here. Any doubts?
hey, hi, Mohan. Could you please open that Amazon page?
Yeah, sure.
Sorry to interrupt you in between.
No problem, no problem. Yeah, I only asked, right?
Uh,
Yeah, go ahead.
could you please show us that expat for that percent, 28% off? So this question asked me in interview, but I am unable to find that expert for the same. So
Which
that's why
one?
I'm asking you.
Which one?
28% off, like 25,099 MRP, and yes,
43%
43%
off.
off. So they asked me like if whenever that change means value randomly, so you should be able to find that expert for the same.
Okay, got it. Okay, got it.
Yes.
So same thing you can apply, right? Off, right? See,
Yes, yes.
so for this, same technique. Use the same technique. Okay, I'll use same technique. So I'll take the same thing. See, simple thing. I can take this thing only. I'll take. I'll modify. You only tell me. Okay, this thing only. I'll take two things. Control F. Okay, following span. What is that? It is containing what? Off, right? I'll take off. That is span. Span contains. You only tell me how I crack the logic. Okay. Comma. Put off. See, it got identified. Oh, waiting.
3 of 5.
It also contains off. Once again, then I would like to identify something differently. Okay, 40% off. Descendant. The rate class span there is one. Okay, there is one. Okay, class its off is also there. Okay, fine. Next. Oh, off screen value. Okay. There is also off. There is also off screen. Why? RC is which one? RC is which one? No, it is text, right? Oh, sorry, my bad. My bad. This is text, right? Okay, my bad. So I have given wrong. Okay. If you give text, right, it will identify. My bad. You want to
Mm,
tell. You want to tell me, right? See, you got
yes,
that.
correct.
You got that. See how simple it
Yes.
is. Got it?
Yeah.
This is your answer. Did anyone understand? Can anyone tell me how I can identify this expert? Any clue? So I did the same thing. Okay. From here, so this is my title. From here, I'm identifying entire panel, including this. I want to go here. So how I can go here? I want to take the generic attribute for this to make it generic. Okay. See what is the generic attribute? The text contains of. So I'm taking contains of so that I can fetch all the entire element. Got it? I use that technique. Okay. You can change the mobile number. You're going to get that off also. Okay. Any other questions? Any other
Um,
questions? Can I ask one more question? So that can you write in this reverse? If I give price, I want to get the mobile name. Can you try? Can you try? Ping in the chat. I'll give 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So give the if I give the price, this price is generic. If I give the price, I want to get the mobile name. Can I give the link? Please try. Everyone try. Or else write if everyone before trying. So anyone having doubts on this XPath access. Any doubts on this XPath access? How was the class? Is it difficult? Yeah, go ahead, Santosh. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, Mohan, like by using this following a preceding technique, okay, can you tell me that one?
You joined in both mobile and laptop.
Yeah, yes, actually.
Can you switch off one? It is giving echo.
Yeah, is it fine now?
It's fine now. Or else mute. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. You went mute on both. Okay. Yeah, any other questions?
Yeah,
Is
Mohan,
it
I do have one
difficult? Yes
question.
or no? You didn't understand? Yes or
Hello,
no?
Mohan.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah,
Chin.
yeah. So you have used that ancestor descendant technique over
Correct.
there.
Correct.
From you have searched name first, and then you have searched ancestor as entire that
Correct. Panel.
div panel. Yeah, correct.
Correct.
And from that you have searched as descendant as price. Can't we
Correct.
go as sibling over there as
No.
those
Now tell me you draw relationship. Okay,
no,
from there is the
yeah,
one. Okay,
yeah.
there is the one. Yeah, nice question. Very nice question. Really, I like the question. So from here, this your title. Okay. Now this is your what? Price. So what is the relationship? Can you draw when you are in interview? That to write this is very typical right hierarchy. Where exactly your this is the title. Okay, see this is a title. Okay, from here you want to move where?
Okay, that mean that is a child
This
ancestor.
I right from here so you want to draw the relationship from here to here. No, it's very difficult. See,
Yeah, correct.
it
I
is
thought
in
they are
it is
sibling. That's
no
why I
no
asked this
these are
question.
not sibling. If it is sibling, why I'll take descendant?
Yeah, correct. That's why I
Um,
got this question.
got it. So
Yeah,
this
got
is
it.
in different that too in different section. See, this in some section. It is in some other section. Somewhere at down. I can't write on fly. When you are interview, your mind won't work.
Yeah, correct. Yeah,
Hmm,
thank you. Got it.
no problem. Yeah. Can I ask some more questions on XPath access? Okay. I'll go with where is XPath? Yesterday's class. We take this. Everyone should write this. Okay. Once again, let me put charger. Uh, yeah, put charger. Okay. Try, at least try. Please try. Everyone try. So, so right, I'm giving now only,
The
right?
earlier one you said, the earlier
Now
one
only
you
I'm
gave.
giving right kind of feel. What is the feel? Interview feel. So anyone want to try at interview level? So now I am doing the interview. Anyone want to try this? I'm going to explain again here. Anyone want to try? I'm ping yes. Shamal, very good, nice. Shamal, raise your hand. Raise your hand, Shamal. But I'll give only 1 minute. If more than 1 minute, I'll time up. Or at least take 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes fine. Shamal. Yeah, panelist. I promoted a panelist. Share your screen. Can you share your screen, Shamal? Share your screen. I'll stop sharing. Shamal, share your screen. Would you like to participate or not, Shamal? Okay, fine then.
Yes, yes.
Share your screen fast. It's already 2 minutes up. Okay, share.
Yes.
First, I'll give simple one. Okay, search for lamp. Open the same website. Why it's taking so more time? Same website. I pinged in the Zoom chat. Can you take the same link? First, copy paste. Or else IKEA. Go to IKEA. Do you want me to paste again? Same link.
This one, right? IKEA.
IKEA. Open. So if I give, why it's loading very. So based on the price you want to get the lamp name. So can you write any technique? Click on OK first. Click on OK. Fast, make it fast. Based on the price you want to get the lamp name. So let's take 999. If I give 999, I should get the lamp name. What is the lamp name? Standard. Can you standard? I want to get the standard name. If I give price, I want to get standard. So others can ping in the chat. Same. If I give the price name, I want to get the lamp name.
Lamp name.
Lamp name.
Okay, the first we'll write this particular
No,
XPath.
I don't want. You write.
Okay.
First copy the attribute, then write. That is a technique I told you, right? If you remember, it's fine. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Succeeded. Very good. First part succeeded. Okay, it's fine. 999, 3 are there. It's fine. Totally fine. Next. You are using preceding. Great. Super.
Then we'll check the parent.
Why used after double semicolon? Did I tell the syntax slash? After double semicolon slash will come?
No. Sorry.
No problem.
Just give me 1 minute.
No, I can't give. 2 minutes up. You can practice. Okay.
Okay. Actually, we should move to the preceding here where standard.
It's okay. You are right. Almost. You try. Okay.
Yeah.
At least I'll give 1 more minute. Okay, right.
Actually,
1 more
my
minute.
system is not responding
Okay, it's okay.
fastly,
Fine.
so it
I'll
will
take.
take more time.
You stop.
Sorry.
You stop. You stop sharing. Okay. So just write for that. Okay. For that, you want to use the same technique, ascendant, descendant, or preceding also fine. Anything is fine. Okay. Where is that? Take this. Okay, aside. Where is that? You should be fast. You want to practice. So let's take this one. Inspect. You would have copied. Why you wrote XPath direct again? You would have copied, right? For me, at least, right? If I tell fast, you copied. Just copy it. Inspect. Once you inspect, copy XPath will give, right? It won't give generic. At least I want generic. Control F. Span. Text equal to, you should be fast. Okay. And you're using same method only. You use preceding, right? I would like to use preceding only. Preceding, double semicolon. I want to get this one. Okay, what is the first one? This is what? This class. Class with, this is a class. I'll take this class only. Okay. Span at the rate. See, that's it. So you used preceding. For that, you want to use what? You want to use what?
We can take
Index.
there because class is too long, right? Attribute value is too
It's
long.
okay, fine. We don't have time. Okay,
Yeah.
one
Got
C.
it. Okay, got it.
Okay, for that preceding, if you are preceding right, you want to use last. Okay,
Okay.
last. It will get the. If you are
Yeah.
using the following, you want to use one. If you are using preceding, you want to use the last. See, I got the lab name. See, this much fast you want to write. Okay. Anyone want to try some difficult XPath? You got the XPath? You write with ascendant, descendant, ancestor and descendant combination as well. Try to write with descendant, sorry, ancestor descendant combination as well. Can you try? There's a right for you. There's the homework for you. Okay. Now tell me, there is one more question also. There is one more question also. This is not related to XPaths. Okay, XPath axis. So there are in Amazon. Let's take Amazon. If you have any doubts, right, raise your hand. Amazon.in. I'll take 3 more minutes. Okay. So there are all these links are there. So write one XPath to handle all these links. How we can write one generic XPath to handle all these links? All these
Tag,
links.
tag name A. By tag name /A.
How we can write? Okay, inspect, right? There is a link. Okay, text. By using text, I'll give a runtime generically. I'll use CA. So it will work. That's it. Generic XPath is just write a text equal to in single quote. There is a generic XPath. That's it. There is a generic XPath. See, if you change the name, if you pass at runtime, it will work. There is a generic XPath. Okay. Now tell me. Same question I'm going to ask. Same question. So here, write a generic XPath. There are this kind of text boxes like 100 in the form. Are you going to create 100 elements? Are you going to create 100 elements? No. I'm going to create one generic XPath. I'll pass the attribute, field name. It should enter into the respective field. Can you write a generic XPath for this? Anyone? From here, I want to move to here. From here, I want to move to here. Can you write a generic XPath? See, from here, I want to move to here. Which one I want to use for this? Which one I want to use? From here, I want to move here. Sorry?
Label tag name and
Correct. What is the axis method I want to use? From here to here, I want to.
Sibling.
Correct. That's it. You are there. Label. This is text. I'm going to give a runtime. Okay, this is a generic XPath. I'm going to give a runtime slash following sibling, double semicolon, next input. That's it. See how simple it is. I want to take the first input only. See how beautiful it is. If I pass email, it will identify email field. See, it is identifying email field or not. See, I'm passing the label name. It is identifying the respective checkbox. Sorry, text box. See, there is a generic XPath. You can handle all the input boxes in your form. You don't want to create n number of elements. Write one generic XPath, create one generic method to handle these elements. So let's assume there is one section. Let's assume this is the section. Okay. In this section, this is the section, right? In this section, I want to get all the links. Or else all labels present in this section. So which access method I'm going to use? I want to get all the labels present in this section. What is the access method? Tell me, what is the access method? There is a current node.
Preceding.
There is the current node. In the inside, there is the end node. There is the ending of that section.
Following.
Okay. There is
Sorry.
the so
Child.
think correct. One way correct. One way correct. Okay. So this here, I want in this section inside, I want to get all the labels, all the links, all the input. Child. For example, let's assume under this label also one more label is there. Then
Descendant.
Descendant.
correct.
Descendant.
So always use descendant. In a particular section, it's going to get all the particular things. Got it?
Yeah,
Okay.
Mohan, sorry to interrupt you. Santu here.
No problem.
Yeah, like, following sibling and descendant are same, right?
No. No.
Following
Following
sibling.
sibling will return only siblings.
Yeah. Now tell me.
Descendant
Okay.
means
Now
children.
tell me. You need
Descendant is
exercise then.
grandchildren.
Okay. Then you need exercise. Okay. Then you need exercise. Okay. A. Generally, I give this exercise to my students. Okay. B. C. D. E. F. Okay. X. Y. Z. E. Now tell me, this is the current node. This is the current node. So descendant will return how many? This is the current node. Descendant will return how many nodes? Tell me how many nodes. Ping me in the chat.
Yeah,
Descendant will return how many nodes?
7.
Descendant.
Eight.
Descendant will return how many nodes? Ping in the chat. 1 wrong. 6 wrong. 7 wrong. 8 wrong.
Yeah,
Descendant. Descendant only 2. Okay, what is the children of this? E, only 1 children. Plus his grandchildren. Okay, only 2. Descendant will return only 2. Okay, let's assume this is the node. What is the following siblings for this node? Following siblings. Following siblings. Exactly, 3.
3.
Someone told 7. Chinmay, wrong. Following siblings. 3. What are the following siblings? CDX. CDX. Okay,
CD.
preceding siblings?
A.
Preceding siblings? Wrong. Wrong. Preceding siblings? 0. Correct, Chinmay. Now you came. Yeah, you're right. 0. Now this is the correct node. Following sibling. Following siblings.
2.
Following siblings. Wrong.
Hmm.
Following sibling. 1. X. Preceding siblings. Same level. Siblings are same level. Preceding siblings. Preceding siblings. 3 wrong, Chinmay. 2 right. Yeah.
2.
2. What are the 2? BC. BC.
C.
Okay. So let's assume. Now tell me, you told following siblings are same. Now for D, how many descendants? For D, how many descendants? D, how many descendants? How many descendant? 3 wrong. How many descendant? Descendants. There is no family tree for descendant. It's like what we call it as bachelor. It doesn't have any children. How he is going to get descendants? Okay, 0. For D, 0 descendants. Okay. Now tell me, for C, what are the following nodes? For C, following nodes, following, wrong, 2, wrong, following, 4. Everything comes after C. Whatever there after C, everything, 4. Preceding, how many preceding? 3. before all comes. See, always following your node will bisects into two. Following is nothing but below things. Preceding is nothing but above things. Got it? Now tell me, ancestor. For Z, ancestors. Wrong. Ancestors. X and A, exactly. Who told X and A? Naresh Reddy, you are right. To Chinmay, you are right. X and A. Okay. Ancestors. F for F, ancestors. Tell me what are those ancestors? Ancestor, correct. EBA, correct. 3. That's it. If you understand, then you can write a XPath axis. That's it. Okay. From here, I want to move to B. How I can move? From Z, I want to move to B. From Z, I want to move to B. There are two ways. Go to parent X, then preceding sibling B. Preceding sibling B, or else directly preceding B. Preceding B. Got it? You can play. So write one current node. From here to there you go. Then again from there to again go to some other node. Practice the XPath axis methods. Okay. Now let's last question. So the class is over. Others can drop off. Who are having doubts, they can stay back. Okay, I'll give some assignment. So everyone understood, or I don't know whether you understood or not. Is it good? Any feedback? Did you understand? Or still confused?
Mohan,
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yeah. You are audible.
Mohan, I couldn't able to write the XPath for the price you have given. We need to fetch the name of the mobile from
That lamp.
not lamp. That is IKEA. That is in Amazon.in.
Amazon.in. Yeah. So what do you want?
No, I couldn't able to fetch the name of the mobile using the price.
Oh, do you want me to write?
Yeah, can you please?
Sure, I'll do that. iPhone. By using price, you want to get the mobile. Okay.
Yeah.
You want to use which technique?
Ancestor.
Okay. Control F.
Ancestor I want to
Sure.
use.
I'll use span text equal to single quotes. Okay. Don't mind. It comes, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay. There are two prices. It's fine. Okay. / ancestor. I already told.
Okay.
Ancestor, what you want to use? Entire panel. So it should cover both.
Yeah.
Your price and this thing. Okay. Can I take this? See, I can take this. Yes, you can take this or this. This one, no. Why? Because price is not coming there. So take this one. Simple. Small is there, right? Small class is there. Okay, ancestor, div, put at the rate, paste. Okay. This is ancestor. Again, descendant. Double semicolon. You want to go to where? Price. Title. You want to get the title, right? Title. See, this is the title. The main problem is span. I can't use directly span. Why? Because span we won't have many spans. Okay, or else you can use index for this span. Which span? There are 81 spans. 81 spans. So you want to find a technique to crack it. Where is title? Oh, the title came. So which one is title? Title is 10th one. So you can use 10. Okay, one way is you use 10. See, you got the title. See, you got the title. Oh, sorry. It is having some more 4 came. Okay, title won't work. So in that case, right, you want to crack this one. So span, do I have any attribute for span to identify this? So this one I want to identify, right? Do I have any attribute? No, I don't have. Any attribute. Can I take the above one? H2. Yes, I can take H2, right? From here, I'll come here. Okay. So use H2. H2? Yes, it is identifying. It is identifying. From here, what you want to go? Where you want to go? This
Title.
title, right? Slash
Span.
immediate span. That's it. See, it is identified. See, with 51,990, how many it's there? How many it's there? One is Apple iPhone 15.
2.
Other one is also Apple iPhone Black. Black. Oh, both are same. Okay. Two phones are there. Is it same only or different mobile? Oh, we have different mobile. At top is also there. See, and below also there. Same mobile. Got it? Did I answer your question? Did you understand? Did you understand? No. See how simple it is. Ancestor descendant combination. Okay, others, yeah, they can ask your doubts. Class is over.
Mohan, if any table is dynamically updating, then how can we find the XPath also in that case?
You can find, right? The whatever we are writing, these are like dynamic XPath only, not hard coding anything. We are not hard coding anything, right? So tell me which table. So stock table, anything? You have that
Yes,
stock table. Can you ping me that stock table?
No, I don't have handy.
Oh.
It's just question come in my mind. Come in my mind that.
Yeah, we can handle. We can handle. Even though dynamic tables also we can handle. Any other questions we can handle? If you have a link, ping me. I can show it out.
Yeah, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Okay. We are frequently using this class name attribute.
Correct.
It is not recommended, na?
No, the thing is, right? The thing is, if you give, okay, so always, right, writing a generic XPath will always understand why we are passing class. So here, why we are passing class? Can anyone tell here? Why you are passing class here?
Because sometimes
For
we don't have any
grouping.
other
So if I
attribute.
give right price directly, it will identify only one. Okay, based on this, okay, based on this title name, I want to go to the respective price. If I give price 100,000, right, it will identify only one. Got it? At last, at the end, at the end, right, in generic XPath, you want to use generic attributes only. You can see at the end, if you are using, see, you want to use always generic attributes. If it is a dynamic XPath, generic XPath. Starting, you want to pass hard-coded thing. This one, sorry. This one you're going to pass at runtime. This one you're going to pass at runtime. This is your mobile name. Okay, you're going to pass at runtime. Based on this mobile name, you're going to identify its price. Okay, this one you're going to pass at runtime. This is price. This is price. You're going to pass at runtime. So based on the price, you're going to get all the mobiles. Okay. So at last, you're going to use the generic attributes only. Did I answer your question? So for example, okay, let's assume simple example. I'll tell you. I know even right, I got the doubt when I'm learning XPaths. Okay, let's assume there is the one. You only tell me. Okay. Open. Okay. So based on the book name, I want to get the price. I want to get the price, correct? Based on the book name, you want to get the price. This is the book name. Okay, Control F. You are telling, okay, sir, why you are using index or else class at last? You are supposed to use, right? Identify uniquely. You want to use what? Following hyphen sibling. Okay, / td. So I want to get the price. So if I use directly price, no, price text equal to what is this? Learn Java 500 is fine. It's fine 500. Okay, 1 of 1 it will come. If I use 500, One of one it will come. It's fine. I want to make it as generic. So if I pass learn.js, will it identify its price?
No,
Learn.js, will it identify its price?
no,
Why?
because 300, price is not matching.
Correct. Why? You are making this as constant at the end. So
Okay.
your XPath is correct. I'm not totally denying. Okay, previous XPath is correct. So this is only applicable for only one element. You want to make this as a only one element XPath, this is fine. I don't want to make it as one element XPath. But this is a generic XPath. I want to handle all the elements. So for that, you don't want to hard code at the end. You want to write generic. So in that case, what I want to use? TD index. What is the index? 3 or 4? 3. Following 3. See, now if you pass any book name, it will get respective price. Got it? This is a generic XPath. Previous is
So,
a single XPath, which will handle single element. Yeah.
so Mohan, this in that way also we can handle dynamically, right? If the price gets changed tomorrow, it will also capture, right?
I didn't get your answer.
Uh,
Sorry.
uh, Mohan, if the price gets
Price.
updated,
Yes, correct. That also. If price is getting changed, right? 300 to 800, this will work.
Mhm.
It won't break.
This is what I was asking last time. If dynamically
Correct.
something gets changed, then
Correct. This will work.
that-
But you hard code it will fail.
Mm.
Previous that single element XPath also will get failed. So your publisher changed the price from 300 to 500. Is it a
Yes,
correct
yes, yes.
XPath what you have written previously? No, it will fail.
Mohan,
Yeah,
will we
one
cover?
more thing.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah, go
Will
ahead.
we cover how to find web elements in an Ionic Angular application later? Because all the elements are
Yeah. We are going to
because
use
that is a very difficult part too. That's why.
Shadow DAM.
Yes, Shadow DAM and all the
Shadow
Ionic
DAM
Angular.
requires CSS selector knowledge. I'll cover whenever CSS selector got covered. Okay, then apart from that, we are going to cover hidden elements. You know
Okay,
hidden
so
elements, anyone?
from Monday, you told us that Priyanka is attending Java session. So when we are planning to cover this CSS part?
CSS part I'll cover when I get free time. Okay, I have
Okay.
1 week batch time for my batch to complete. I have to cover rest assured topics. So once that covered, right, I'll come back and I can help Priyanka also. And this, okay?
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Very simple. Shadow DOM is very simple. If you understand, very simple. XPath Axis is also very simple if you understand the hierarchy. If you understand,
Yes.
if you practice, if you understand, you will get it's very easy. If you don't understand, right, trust me, you are never going to learn XPath Access. You want to understand that
Yeah.
properly.
Yes,
Okay.
sure.
Yeah, Mohan, another thing I want to ask.
Yes. Go ahead.
Instead of following sibling and following preceding, instead of multi-level earlier or multi-level below, right? So in the similar way, am I right?
Sorry.
I'm saying preceding method and only following method you have used for the multiple level above or multiple level below the element.
Correct.
So in the
Yes.
similar way, just preceding and just following for also that we can use preceding and following. I mean,
Yes.
generalize, we can make it like everywhere we can use it like preceding following.
Correct. You can use. But the problem is, right, if you use preceding, right, preceding means following means it will identify all the nodes from down. From here, it will identify. If I use following sibling, it will identify how many? 1, 2, 3 only. If I use following, it will identify all the elements till down. Got it?
But if we give some certain criteria, so it will go to that
Correct.
node only.
Correct. You are absolutely right. You can filter with the XPath. You are right.
Okay. And one more thing, like as you explained, like in web page, I mean, at the very top level, and we are starting with the something middle or at the bottom level. So we were using following or preceding one. So my concern is like, because I've never worked much on the HTML or web page and all UI. I mean UI pages and all. So the same way it is shown as a in a UI, the same way it is maintained in the HTML page. I mean, it's not going to like change the pattern. I mean, which is shown above any particular web element. So that will be in the HTML page also above only. My question is like.
No, we are identifying right uniquely, right? I didn't get your question. Is anyone got her question? Can you decode anyone?
No, actually, you explained, na, like starting from
Yeah. We are starting. Yeah, we are
particular,
using this one, and we are going to some.
and we are not going to complete the what is the relation and all. So like
Correct. You are right.
so in that way, so what is shown in the UI page, that is the like pattern is maintaining in the HTML page also. That is my question. Is like.
So obviously you want to where you are going to get the pattern from the HTML page only. If you don't want to, it won't. Yeah, same thing will maintain in HTML page. It won't change.
Okay.
So you want to define your web page hierarchy by using the HTML document only. Okay. By looking into web page, you can't define the hierarchy. If you don't want to define the hierarchy, simply blindly want to go, then go with the following preceding. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Any other questions?
Mohan, like when we will cover like a calendar selection and drop downs, Mohan.
Drop-downs, it's very simple. Calendars also will cover. Okay, let me stop recording.
Okay.